Volvo has once again strengthened its position in the luxury SUV segment by presenting the 2025 Volvo XC90. Featuring a sleek and aerodynamic design, the XC90 combines luxury with typical SUV toughness. An elegant grille, Thor's hammer-shaped LED headlights and bold lines are its trademark, complemented by large alloy wheels and chrome details. Entering the cabin, you will be greeted by a luxurious interior with high-quality materials such as Napa leather and natural wood. The adjustable ergonomic chair with various massage modes ensures maximum comfort. Advanced technologies such as pilot assist and city safety driver assistance systems ensure safety on every journey. Android-based infotainment features integrated with Google allow easy access to a wide range of apps and services, while a premium sound system from Bowers & Wilkins provides an exceptional audio experience. The 2025 Volvo XC90 offers several engine choices, including an environmentally friendly plug-in hybrid option. This engine is not only powerful, but also efficient in fuel consumption. With an all-wheel drive system, the XC90 provides optimal traction in various road conditions, ensuring a safe and comfortable journey. With all its bells and whistles, the 2025 Volvo XC90 is the perfect choice for those looking for a vehicle that combines innovation, comfort, and sustainability in one luxury package.